if I talk about the materials for production, so you will find that ki wide range of materials, you will find ki the wide range of materials, wide range of the materials they were used for the production. So wide range of materials that was used for the production, and you will find that ki this wide range will include the common materials, that is the regular material, and also the expensive material. So this wide range will include the regular material and expensive materials. And regular materials like clay, like stone, clay and timber, and the expensive material that will include the precious and semi-precious items. Precious and semi-precious items like ferns, like you will find that ki the ferns which was used for making the items, like precious stones, like lapis lazuli, like quartz, which were regularly being used to make the material. Although my dear friends, the expensive materials, you will find that ki the products which was made by the expensive materials, which was always used by the economically empowered people. So the products which was made up of expensive materials, products made up of expensive materials, the products which was made up of expensive materials, that was always used, so products made up of the expensive materials, that was always used by rich people, and the products that was being made by the regular material, that was used by the common people, So basically guys, first of all we are thinking कि which type of material which was used by the people of Harappan civilization. So Harappan civilization में friends दोनों type के materials use होते थे for making the products. One is the regular material like common material which was available to all, like stone, like clay, like timber. And through the common materials, what type of utensils you can make, what type of products you can make the utilitarian products. आप ऐसे प्रोडक्ट बनाओगे जो डे टू डे बेसिस पर यूज होंगे, और वो प्रोडक्ट्स कौन यूज करेंगे, तो रेगुलर पीपल, यानी जो कॉमन पीपल है. और उन्हीं प्रोडक्ट्स को दोस्तों आप एक्सपेंसिव आइटम से भी बना सकते हैं. एक्सपेंसिव आइटम्स में आपको प्रेशियस एंड सेमी प्रेशियस स्टोन्स के जरिए भी आप उन प्रोडक्ट्स को बना सकते हैं. और उन प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज कौन करेगा, तो उन प्रोडक्ट्स को यूज करेंगे दोज पीपल हु आर इकोनॉमिकली एम्पावर्ड. जैसे मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल देता हूं, जैसे मान लो घर में आपको प्लेट बनानी है, मान लो एक प्लेट बनाना है कॉमन खाने के लिए. तो खाने का प्लेट अगर आपको बनाना है तो आप क्ले का भी बना सकते हो, मिट्टी का भी बना सकते हो, और उसी के क्ले के प्लेट को आप किसी मेटल का भी बना सकते हो, फॉर एग्जांपल गोल्ड का बना लिए. तो अब ये बताओ फ्रेंड्स कि जो क्ले प्लेट तो दोनों है, एक कॉमन क्ले प्लेट है और एक गोल्ड का प्लेट है. तो कॉमन क्ले प्लेट कौन यूज करेगा और गोल्ड का प्लेट कौन यूज करेगा. कॉमन प्लेट जो क्ले का बना हुआ है, कोई मिट्टी का बना हुआ, उसको कौन यूज कर सकता है, जो कॉमन पीपल है. और वही अगर गोल्ड का प्लेट है तो उसको कौन यूज करेगा, तो उसको यूज करेंगे एलीट पर्सन. सो दैट टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल्स you will use for the production. So for the production, both type of materials was used, whether it is expensive item and non expensive item or a regular item. ये बात सबको समझ आई? देखो ये बात सबको समझ आ गई कि मेटल्स फॉर प्रोडक्शन किस तरीके के थे। तो दोनों टाइप के प्रोडक्शंस के लिए मटेरियल्स यूज किए जाते थे, एक रेगुलर मटेरियल और एक एक्सपेंसिव मटेरियल प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाने के लिए। रेगुलर मटेरियल्स उन प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाने के लिए यूज किया जाता था विच वाज यूज्ड बाय कॉमन पीपल, और एक्सपेंसिव मटेरियल्स उन प्रोडक्ट्स को बनाने के लिए यूज किया जाता था विच वाज यूज्ड बाय द इकोनॉमिकली रिच पीपल। इज दैट क्लियर कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ मटेरियल्स वाज बीइंग यूज्ड? अब देखो आपने प्रोडक्ट तो बना लिया, अब प्रोडक्ट को सबसे पहले कहां पहुंचाना होगा? प्लेसेस ऑफ द सेलिंग पर। तो सबसे पहले आपने प्रोडक्ट तो बना लिया, प्रोडक्ट को आप पहुंचाओगे कैसे? टू द कंज्यूमर। हाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट विल रीच टू द पीपल? नाउ हाउ द प्रोडक्ट विल बी रीच टू द कंज्यूमर? हाउ द प्रोडक्ट will reach to the consumer? How the product will reach to the consumer? अब कंज्यूमर के पास ये प्रोडक्ट पहुंचेगा तो पहुंचेगा कैसे? Now definitely we will find कि how this has to be reached. Now guys, this can be reached through two methods. One is through the land route and one is through the water route. One, this product can be reached through the land route, or how next it can be reached through the water route. So how it will be reached to the land route? You will find that, my friends, कि in Harappan civilization, evidence of terracotta, evidence of toy of bullock cart made of terracotta. Terracotta, it's a building material. Terracotta, it's a material. So evidence of the toy of bullock cart is found. And if the evidence of the toy of bullock cart is found, then we can conclude that they might be using bullock cart for the transportation. So we can conclude that the Harappans might be using bullock carts for transportation. Therefore they have made the toy of it. अब खिलौना मिला है बुलक कार्ट का, बैलगाड़ी का, तो बैलगाड़ी का खिलौना दोस्तों कब मिलेगा? जब बैलगाड़ी का उपयोग होता होगा. So we can say that कि to transport the material from one place to another, we have the evidence of the bullock cart. So bullock cart must be used to transport the material from one place to another. From one place to another. Other than this, you will find that the next route was available to transport the material was water route. Now, how they were transferred through the water route? So they were transferred through Indus river and its tributary, through Indus river and tributaries. The products were transported through water route by ships and boats. Through ships and boats, my dear friends, the products were transferred from water route from one place to another, and we have the evidence of ship and boat found from Harappan civilization, from seals of Harappan civilization, from seals of Harappan civilization. From the seals of Harappan civilization. So, how we can conclude that they were transferred through the land route and water route? So, we have found the evidence of the bullock cart. We have found the evidence from the bullock cart through which we can say that they must be transferred from the land route, and we have found the evidence on the seals of Harappa, that is from of the ships and boats. Through this we can conclude that they must be using water route as well to transfer the products from one place to another. So, the transfer of the product that was did through the land route as well as through the water route. I hope it is clear to all, guys. I hope it is clear to all ki how these things were transferred from the land route to water route. Is that clear? कि यहाँ पर दोनों रूट्स के जरिए प्रोडक्ट सामान का ट्रांसपोर्टेशन होता था, लैंड रूट और वाटर रूट के जरिए कैसे होता था वो मैंने आपके साथ एक्सप्लेन कर दिया. यहाँ तक क्लियर है कि बुलक कार्ट का टॉय मिलना, यानी टॉय तभी मिलेगा जब वो हमारे यूज में होगा. तो जो टेराकोटा बुलक कार्ट का टॉय मिला है उससे ये आइडेंटिफाई किया जा सकता है कि बुलक कार्ट मस्ट बी प्रेजेंट टू कैरी द गुड्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. Another thing is that water route, कि the water through Indus and its tributaries, the goods were being sent through the water route from one place to another. How? Because we have the evidence of ships and boats which is found from the seals of Harappan civilization. So, we can conclude that they must be using land route plus water route for the trade and commerce.
अब एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।